Today we're going to look at fussy cutting for slow stitching. So fussy cutting is finding a nice piece of fabric that has an image or a certain pattern that you want to cut out and use somewhere else. So you're going to make that the focus of something else. This technique is used in applique and patchwork design, and if you are going to do it for patchwork in particular, then you tend to make measurements and make sure it's sort of in a decent square for what you want. But as we're just going to use it for slow stitching, I'm just going to take little images from pieces of fabric, give them a little bit of a border so I can play with them. I can still cut that out closer if I want to, and put together a sort of slow stitch piece made from fussy cutting. A while ago I did a Temu order. You can see how that went in a different video. But one of the free gifts they gave me was character, I say in speech marks, quilting squares. Now something like this, look at that, you've got no character on there at all. You've got headless characters. So this is no use for either a fussy cutting or patchwork as is. I wouldn't want to give that to a kid with just like lots of heads cut off. But there's a lot of blue fabric there, there's stripy pink, stripy yellow, so you can still use it as scrap fabric. And there's quite a few, like this duck has not been centered, so it's not, you could use it cutting the white off, which I might do, but it's got a very flat bottom, so you'll have to lose a bit of the size there. This as well, just going to put that in my scrap fabrics. This is quite pretty, got some flowers there, so we can use that. This one you're going to have to decide sort of which cat you want. We've got some good little bits of coloured fabric there. He is a whole piece if you want a dinosaur. It's not quite my style. That's quite cute, but you lose, you'd have to put his face sort of behind something, I would have thought. Got a cat there. Could maybe use that whole cat as well. And there's one there. This is a bit of a shame, whatever that was. I'm sure that was very cute. But you've got some flowers there. That's a good one. I might actually leave that still in its square for maybe a Christmas ornament or something. You could you could use this bird and this raccoon. You've also got an acorn there, little crocodile. So we're just gonna do some cutting, taking a little border around the things I want to use, and see what we get. I think we're probably going to go for a little woodland scene today. Got some fish. Dinosaur, you've got two dinosaurs there. Cow. So there's some quite pretty fabrics, but unfortunately the way they've been cut, you just don't get full images of the characters. Half a dog, half a dog. But let's see if there is something we can make out of those. Also got some other bits and pieces. This was just a strip in a scrap fabric, and unfortunately there's no full skeletons, but it might be that you could get some legs and then a top half if you wanted a full skeleton. But also there's lots of pretty leaves that I have been using in other things. A little piece of bright pink scrap here, which I think I'm going to arrange them on. This could be a cloud. It's got the rain as well, but I'd add that in with stitching. I've made the background slightly smaller and I've got all my pieces here. This is not the final layout. What I think I will do is start with the sun, start with these pieces, and then see if we want to add the odd flower. This is a little bit stretchy, so this is going to be a bit of a pain to work with. But I kind of liked the bright pink background. Not very naturalistic, but kind of cute with the little cute woodland animals.